Here's a video introduction for Module 5. Module 5 is dealing with estimating population parameters, including proportions and means, and determining sample size. So in this module, you'll be creating confidence intervals to estimate both proportions and means, and also learning about sample size. First, you see your learning objectives, and then a list of how to complete these learning objectives. Next, in Module 5, you'll find your resource book. There are two sections in Chapter 7. Under this chapter, you have your textbook reading assignment. You should read through your textbook and take notes. Then, lecture notes that I have provided. You should also read through these notes and work through examples and take notes as you read through them. And then lecture videos, which will demonstrate both manual calculations and using the graphing calculator as well. And then the next section, Chapter 7, Section 2, you will have the textbook reading, the lecture notes, and the lecture videos. After you've done accessed all of the information in the resource book, you can go over to MyStatLab, and you should be able to work through 7.1, estimating a population proportion, 7.2, estimating a population mean. You need a 70% on both of these sections to move on. I recommend 100. And then you're able to access Test 3 Review, which is also required. You need a 70% on this. I recommend a 100%. After you finish Test 3 Review, you can go back into your course on Moodle, and you can take Module Quiz 5. Module Quiz 5 will have 10 questions. You'll have 2 attempts at the quiz and 15 minutes on each attempt. Once you do that, and you've studied and you feel confident and are prepared for the test, you can take Test 3, which covers Chapter 6 and Chapter 7. Just a quick reminder, in order to take this test, it is password protected, so you need to use a proctoring service listed in the syllabus book. And once you take that test, you're done with Module 5.